Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the video memory management internal blue screen error message that you're receiving on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this error often surface due to outdated or corrupted graphics drivers, conflicts with newly installed hardware or software, or issues within the graphics card itself, and improper configuration settings, and overheating of the GPU. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to update the graphics, chipset, and network driver. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabin mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na tong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na dabmgmt.msc. So just type this command keyword dabmgmt.mac. So this is the keyboard shortcut of device manager. And next step, so itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then kailangan natin i-update yung ating graphics driver. Kung paano ba yan i-update, so select and right click. And itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And may dalawang option dito na pwede nating i-select, like search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer for drivers. And then itap mo lang tong search automatically and then click mo lang yan and wait natin. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. And hope na na-resolve yung problem, but if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede nating gawin is to run the memory diagnostic. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so just type only memory. And automatic yan na mag-appear kagad dito yung Windows Memory Diagnostic. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And automatic na mag-appear kagad dito yung Windows Memory Diagnostic. So check your computer for memory problems. So ang next step dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung restart now and check for problems. Recommendo dito. And bago tayo mag-restart, so save your work and close any open programs before restarting. So kailangan mo isave lahat ng open applications and then itap mo lang dito yung restart. Alright, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run a system file check. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na open mo na tong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na dsem space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So copy lang natin yan, Ctrl plus C, and then i-paste natin dito. Gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl plus B and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment, image and servicings and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay just type this command keyword that sfc space slash scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung slash scan now, that is one word, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan, so dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart just click only restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix video memory management internal blue screen on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.